Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Kate Forrest and I'm here today with...
Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Doe.
Today we're going to share with you a vegan popcorn recipe that Melissa shares with her high school students, and they requested we make this video because they love it so much. So, take it away, Missy.
Yeah, thanks Kate. So as Kate said, our vegan popcorn recipe, it's a healthy alternative to maybe what some of us might be used to. I know I grew up on popcorn with a lot of butter, or popcorn from a bag. So we're just going to share with you today a simple recipe with a few ingredients. And the ingredients that we're choosing to use today is an organic sunflower oil. This is a little bit lighter of an oil to my belly, and it's also nice for heart health and immunity. So we're going to be using some sunflower oil. We're also using some organic nutritional yeast. And you'll know that a lot of plant-based eaters use this as a supplement for vitamin B12. And it's super yummy. It has like a Parmesan cheese kind of taste. And it just adds a lot of flavor to the popcorn. And then we're going to use a little Himalayan salt and a little bit of fresh black pepper and organic popcorn
That we buy in bulk at the store in our own containers to save on the plastic. And then I'm going to be adding maple syrup to mine for more of a little sweetness at the end. So we'll show you two different variations.
Yeah, so let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a small little bowl and I'm just going to pour a little bit of sunflower oil in here. Now the cool thing about this is that you can save this, so you don't have to like use it all, which is nice. So we have a little bit of sunflower oil, and then we're going to take a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, and I usually like just to take a little pinch and just sprinkle it in. And then the nice black pepper, I'll take a pinch of that as well. You can always adjust to your taste. And then this here is the nutritional yeast. So I'm just going to put a couple spoonfuls of this lovely, beautiful colored nutritional yeast, which is made from molasses, in case some of you don't know that. And then I'm going to mix it, and I like to have it a texture of kind of like a little creamy, so it has a little bit of substance. I don't like it too oily. So again, you just have to play with it a little bit to see what works best for you. All right, so just kind of, yeah, just to drizzle it over. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our popcorn, and we, Kate and I, neither one of us have a microwave. We just choose not to use one for our own kind of personal reasons. So and
health reasons.
Yeah, health reasons. You know, and plus putting it in an air popper, it's just nicer. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So in the air popper, we're just gonna fill this up. And what Kate and I like to do as well is we like to really practice gratitude and mindfulness as we prepare our food. You know, just thinking about this popcorn here and all the many hands that it took to get to where we are right now. So gratitude for this popcorn making.
Right. And look at how beautiful. I don't know if you can really see it very clearly, but it is such a beautiful kernel with colors, and bringing that whole mindfulness piece into this, really deeply seeing the food as you're preparing it. And once this gets going, it's going to be a little louder, and we'll just listen and watch. It'll probably take about 2 minutes, so let's do it.
All right. And what we like to do as well is, as the popcorn is coming out of the popcorn popper, we like to drizzle this in layers a little bit, and then we'll mix it all at the end. Okay, great.
Here we go. Let's all share a breath. So nice when it gets quiet after it goes off.
So right here we have our popcorn, And again, you notice how I just kind of drizzled in layers a little bit. And what we can do too is, like, if you wanted to add any spices or different flavorings to your popcorn, like rosemary or garlic, fresh herbs, then you could do that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to take some of this popcorn with just those ingredients, and that's how I'm going to have my snack today. And then Kate's going to show you another recipe that she's just going to add one ingredient to this to make a nice kind of variation of kettle corn. So
I have the oil, please. Great. All I'm going to do is add a little bit of maple syrup to it. And I don't usually measure. I just kind of go by what feels right. And if I really want something sweet, I'll add more. But I think that's great for now. Sometimes the syrup really thickens it up. And you can see the consistency. So I'll just add a little bit of that.
One thing that we do is we like to buy local maple syrup. So that's important to us, is to support local communities, local markets, local farms as well.
And we only buy organic when possible. We have an option between organic and non-organic. We're going organic. It's better for our bodies and much better for our planet as well.
Yay.
And that delightfulness is how to make vegan popcorn. Want to taste it?
Yeah, for sure.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
Let me try yours. Try mine.
Sure.
Oh, they're both delightful. So, give it a try. Let us know how it went if you'd like. If you have any questions on it, reach out. And thank you so much, Miss Doe, for sharing your time and popcorn with us.
Oh, you bet. You bet. Yeah. I'm going to go sit, relax, and eat my popcorn.
Me too. Enjoy your moments. Claim time for you today. Take care of you. Remember, long, slow breaths, mindful eating. Take care. Bye for now.
Bye.
Let's go eat some popcorn.